Are you trying to find the right wire strippers without getting overwhelmed by options? Don't worry, I've got you covered with clear picks and practical tips. Today, I'm going to be going over the best wire strippers that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the WGGE WG-015. From the moment you unbox, this affordable wire stripper targets DIYers and professionals seeking precise, comfortable operation during long sessions. Its straightforward setup and readable gauge markings make it ideal for HVAC installers, electricians, and hobbyists who vouch sacrificing accuracy. Despite the budget price, the WGGE WG-015 feels sturdy, signaling that value does not automatically imply flimsy materials or shaky joints. Its aluminum body offers a balanced mix of lightness and rigidity, ensuring comfortable overhead use without flexing under moderate pressure. The compact profile measures roughly 6 inches in length with a palm-friendly contour, enabling precise control in cramped electrical panels. The blades are precision-ground stainless steel designed for clean cuts and reliable performance across typical insulation materials. The tool covers a wire gauge range from 10 to 24 AWG, with built-in micro-adjustments for thin wall cables. Integrated wire cutter blades deliver flush cuts without deforming copper or aluminum strands, reducing rework during harness assembly. A spring-loaded mechanism ensures automatic blade retraction and consistent grip tension, minimizing hand fatigue on large-scale projects. During testing, stripping across 12 to 18 AWG signals demonstrated smooth operation with minimal burrs and uniform insulation removal. In denser insulation like rubberized jacketed wire, the adjustable bite proved reliable without collateral damage to conductors. Users noted comfortable grip and low fatigue during extended sessions, thanks to ergonomic handle shaping and balanced weight distribution. Compared with a popular mid-range competitor, the WGGE WG-015 offers finer adjustment range and tighter cut control at a similar price point. The pros include durable construction, precise gauge range, and ergonomic handle. The cons include higher price for feature set and heavier weight. At number 4, we have the Haisstronica wire stripper. In initial impressions, the tool feels purpose-built for demanding electricians, hobbyists, and maintenance technicians seeking reliable, precision stripping without damage. Weighing only 2.4 pounds, this stripper combines nimble handling with a compact silhouette that enhances control during extended, intricate stripping tasks. Its design and price point seem tailored for professionals and serious DIYers who demand consistent performance across varying task environments. The construction uses forged steel jaws with precision milling and a robust alloy handle, delivering longevity in a compact 6.5-inch body. The grip is textured and contoured, providing a secure hold even in oily environments, while the pivot point remains smooth through cycles. At under a pound, the tool offers remarkable maneuverability, reducing user fatigue during long sessions and enabling precise, repeatable stripping patterns. Compact dimensions help fit into crowded tool belts and drawers, yet the overall tolerance remains high enough for consistent strip quality. The adjustable stripper cam supports gauges from 22 to 10 AWG, enabling clean insulation removal with minimal conductor damage. A hardened guide prevents conductor nicking and directs stripping motion, ensuring repeatable results across varied wire coatings and jacket thickness. In practical testing, it delivered consistent stripping with minimal effort, maintaining edge integrity and producing uniform insulation removal across most common wires. During repeated cycles on automotive and home wiring, the tool exhibited stable feel, predictable bite, and little blade wear after extended use. Compared to the standard Irwin vise grip model, the Haisstronica feels smoother, more precise, and offers easier micro-gauge adjustments. The pros include durable build, precise adjustment, and ergonomic grip. The cons include higher price and limited availability. At number 3, we have the Klein Tools 1055 EP. From the moment you pick up this compact tool, its rugged build and precise fit signal professional reliability for demanding electrical work. The die-cast aluminum body pairs with an ergonomic, non-slip grip that balances comfort and durability during extended stripping sessions. Its compact tri-fold design reduces bulk while preserving full strip capability, allowing access to tight bundles or crowded panels without sacrificing leverage. The tool features adjustable blade depth and a built-in wire cutter, enabling consistent stripping across multiple insulation types without damaging conductors. In real-world testing, the Klein Tools 11055 EP demonstrated clean, nick-free stripping across stiff jackets and flexible PVC without harming cores. When stacked against the Irwin Vise Grip Stripper, the Klein Tools 11055F feels better balanced, with smoother adjustment and deeper stripping reach. The pros include excellent build quality, precise stripping action, and comfortable grip. The cons include higher price and heavier weight. The jaw design accommodates multiple wire gauges without needing recalibration, while the built-in gauge marks help technicians quickly confirm insulation removal targets. A compact locking mechanism keeps the tool closed for storage, preventing snags in tool bags and ensuring safer transport between job sites. The chrome finish resists corrosion, and the steel blades resist nicks, while the pivot pin stays tight with minimal maintenance. From electricians to HVAC technicians, this tool proves versatile across tasks like jacket stripping, splicing, and field repair where reliability matters. Over years of use, the 155F maintains performance with minimal blade wear, translating into lower replacement costs and more consistent results. If you require dependable stripping with ergonomic control, the Klein Tools 11055F delivers consistent results even in cramped, demanding electrical installations. At number 2, we have the Klein Tools 11061. From the moment you unbox it, the tool conveys confidence with its balanced weight and professional finish aimed at daily electricians. The target audience includes professional electricians, apprentices, and serious DIY enthusiasts who require precise stripping, clean cuts, and reliable durability. Its ergonomics and compact size also appeal to technicians working in tight panels, where comfortable operation reduces fatigue during long jobs. The presentation invites trust, hinting at a tool designed for durability under constant use and varying environmental conditions. Construction appears robust, with a solid steel frame and snug rivets that resist flexing during demanding cutting operations. The handle ergonomics are designed for comfortable grip, featuring textured surfaces and a subtle contour that reduces hand strain over long sessions. Dimensions appear compact enough for portable toolkits while delivering automatic stripping capacity, a balance many professionals crave in field kits. The twist lock mechanism and spring return components look well integrated, suggesting reliable operation without looseness after repeated use. Technically, the tool supports automatic wire stripping across common gauges, offering consistent exposure length with a simple adjustment dial. The cutting blades appear corrosion-resistant and sharpened for clean burr-free cuts, reducing stranded wire damage during installation. Its stripping range includes multiple insulation thicknesses, making it versatile for copper and aluminum wires across residential and commercial applications. A built-in tensioning feature helps avoid overstripping by maintaining consistent grip pressure throughout the stripping cycle. In a head-to-head with the Irwin Vise Grip 2782110, the Klein Tools 11061 offers tighter tolerance and smoother operation. The pros include ergonomic grip with extended control, heavy-duty build for daily use, and precise stripping for flawless terminations. The cons include higher price that significantly impacts budgeting and heavier weight that noticeably reduces portability during fieldwork. At number 1, we have the VCELINK wire stripper and cutter. From the moment you pick it up, the tool feels solid yet lightweight, signaling endurance for professional use and serious hobby tasks. Its sculpted profile and textured handle surfaces improve grip, reducing hand fatigue during lengthy stripping sessions, even under sweaty conditions. The overall dimensions keep it compact enough for pocket carry while remaining sturdy enough for on-site work, without sacrificing rigidity. The build uses durable metal alloys and a precise pivot, ensuring consistent movement without looseness after repeated use. It handles a wide gauge range smoothly and includes an adjustable stripping stop for uniform insulation removal across multiple wire types. The built-in cutter complements stripping and eliminates the need to switch tools mid-project, saving time and reducing error. In bench tests, the performance remains steady across PVC, XLPE, and silicone coatings, producing clean passes without shredding. Field trials showed reliable stripping, even on aged insulation, with minimal nicking and consistent results across multiple wires. When pitted against a leading Klein Tools model, the VCELINK delivered tighter insulation removal and smoother engagement. The pros include durable construction, precise stripping, and comfortable grip. The cons include a higher price point and a relatively small jaw opening. Maintenance is straightforward, with accessible blades and simple lubrication that keeps alignment and cutting performance consistent. For professionals who need dependable wire stripping in tight spaces, this model remains a versatile, long-term tool. If you require precise gauge control and a compact footprint, the VCELINK stands out as a reliable everyday option.